Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, let's take a look at Doge. Is it doing anything exciting? Well, we at least see a red candle here on the current daily chart. The daily candle yesterday was green, but today's is red at the moment. Just looks a little bit like a pullback is underway. I mean, it's we talked in the previous video about the support zone, which is defined between 21 cents and 31.4 cents. And to be honest, I mean, this support area is still holding. We haven't even reached it. Yeah. Is there an absolute need to reach it? I don't think so necessarily. I mean, maybe at least the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement here would be ideal. Because this wave 2 down there was quite short, shallow. Yeah. Nothing major there. And it only took a few days. And this wave 4 could be similar. And it doesn't need to be deep. Yeah. I mean, it was a substantial rally, that's true. So you might think maybe the correction is quite deep. It's certainly not at the moment. I mean, in percent, yeah, but I mean, not really. You don't on the log chart, you basically see that it doesn't really affect it much. I mean, in absolute, I mean, where did it top? Like 44 cents. It's now 37. Well, in crypto, that's nothing, right? In let's say normal, more traditional markets, it's quite a bit, but here it's nothing, right? It's just meaningless pretty much. So it's just a sideways consolidation, a relaxed sideways consolidation, at least at the moment. As we speak, Bitcoin is doing a bit of a pullback, so the altcoins are suffering a bit more. Again, altcoins a bit more risky, right? But certain altcoins are holding really well, like for example here, Doge. So support levels should be clear. And I assume this fourth wave is now unfolding, and then I would like to see another high in wave 5 of 3 and maybe another 4-5 pattern. Even though this is so extended already that I cannot rule out that maybe we've already done that wave 4 and it's already this wave 4 that's unfolding. We will have to see. Important is that every step we have a support area that we can watch, and this at the moment is located between 21.2 and 31.4 cents. Okay, if we break below 21 cents, which is currently not very evident, then we could already be in the larger wave 4 with support between 19.7 and 30.1 cents. So yeah, I mean, not much going on there, still holding well. I'd say we take a look at the smaller time frame chart now. Before we do that, here, what are the next upside levels to watch? These are just, you know, as long as we are in the blue area, I mean, there's not even, this blue zone is the standard target zone for the internal C wave here of the third wave, and it's between 34.4 and 84 cents. It's huge, but again, the price has rallied, like, you know, from down there around 10 cents to 40 cents in like a few days, right? So it's not that much in terms of, you know, comparing it to, if we compare it to what Doge normally does, or at least does at the moment. So it's a standard C wave target area. So we're not even in unusual extensions at the moment. Yeah. The intra, so let's say the internal movements look a bit extended. Yeah, certainly. So looking at the smaller time frame chart here, you can just see it in a little bit more detail that we're probably still moving in that A wave. It's caught in corrective patterns now. As I said, it doesn't need to be a major wave 4. Support levels we already talked about. I think let's take a look at the structure. I mean, it looks a little bit as if the third wave topped. Yeah, this was maybe an internal A. Maybe we're doing just some kind of a B wave now. And then we come down in a C wave. But again, you know, is this going to be part of a larger A wave? For now, we'll just leave it a little bit loose, you know, where it just indicates it's a corrective pattern. All we have at the moment is a move down and a bit of a bounce. So not too much that we could interpret here into this, nothing meaningful at least. But maybe tomorrow we have a little bit more structure we can actually work with. Yeah, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.